Hey, today I'm sitting on the GhostBed, sort of like an upgrade to the original GhostBed. Biggest difference between the two is obviously the GhostBed Luxe is a thicker mattress coming in at 13 inches instead of about 10 inches for the GhostBed. The other big difference is this one is designed to sleep a lot cooler. That's because they use phase change material in the first few layers of the mattress. So starting off at the top of the mattress, they weave fibers in that are cool to the touch. And then they use fabric underneath that, which is also cool. And then they use a phase change layer of foam that is also cool. So all of those combined lead to a really nice, cool, breathable sleep surface. This is an all foam mattress, so it doesn't really have much motion transfer either. I would say it's a little bit more on the plush side, probably about the same level of plushness as the GhostBed, maybe just a little bit softer. The original the original GhostBed uses latex. Latex just has a little bit more bounce, a little bit more pushback to it, whereas this one just seems to conform just a little bit more, hugs you more, you sink in more, just has a more luxury feel to it. Like the GhostBed, this also comes with a 101 night trial. If you hop on over to sleepsherpa.com, you'll find some discounts on this mattress. Right now, retail price is $1,475 for a queen, but again, with the discounts, you can get that a little bit lower. As you know, GhostBed's been around for a number of years. They've had great success in the industry. They're one of the top players in the online mattress bed-in-a-box category. So you get all the assurances from a big online company. You know they're going to be around for a while. So definitely one to check out. I would recommend this to people that tend to sleep hot, that are looking for memory foam. And sometimes those are exclusive because foam is a natural insulator. It's going to trap heat. But with a combination of phase change materials that these guys use, I think that they make it more accessible to hot sleepers that can find a cool night's rest and the pressure relief that they need. So more information on this mattress can be found at sleepsherpa.com.